General Easley, we talked about critical infrastructure. You've got critical infrastructure in every base across the world, and they're their own cities in their own right. Give us an example of a program that you're working on that you'd like to highlight for the community here.
Great. One of the areas that I'm personally involved in, because of its just location in the Army, is our Cloud Enterprise Management Office and the establishment of C-Army, the Army Cloud. So a few years ago, the Army realized that we, again, were fast followers of the Air Force, saw the great work they were doing with Platform One and Cloud One, and said we needed to have this same type of ecosystem to be able to deploy cloud systems for the Army. Again, tied to our financial systems, our identity systems, as well as just data from our critical infrastructure. Again, because the Army is so distributed, we see the cloud as kind of that key enabler to be able, because not only do we have 128 just major active camp posts and stations around the world, we have thousands of small armories and reserve stations all in our 54 territories and states. To manage those thousands of systems is a challenge, and just being able to get that data from those systems instead of using our traditional IT architecture, being able to use a cloud-based architecture is key. As we roll out the Army Cloud, we've realized that we needed, as our sister services did, a DevSecOps pipeline within that cloud environment. And that's where cybersecurity comes in, is how do we do cybersecurity in the cloud, and how do we use cloud native tools to do that? Our identity solutions, our monitoring solutions are all kind of critical things that we're only just getting past our learning phases. How do we upskill our cyber workforce, our cybersecurity centers, to manage those cloud-based infrastructure is an ongoing kind of effort for our team. One way we're doing it, as Wanda talked about, the kind of hack the Air Force and hack the Army efforts, we have a similar effort in our cloud environment called Cloud Thunder, where we're using, kind of first our tabletop exercises, and then next year we'll actually bring in a cyber protection team from Army Cyber Command to help do penetration testing into our cloud environment, just to help defend it better.